Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on continuous integration with CircleCI. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a CircleCI account if you haven't already. Once logged in, connect your version control system, such as GitHub or Bitbucket. Choose a project you want to set up continuous integration for. Click on the project to enter its settings. In the project settings, navigate to the billing section. Review your current plan and understand the usage limits. To save costs, consider optimizing your configuration. Start by minimizing the size of your Docker images. Use multi-stage builds for your Docker containers to reduce the final image size. Next, focus on reducing the number of builds with caching. Implement caching for dependencies and compile objects in your configuration file. Utilize the CircleCI caching mechanisms effectively. Set up your workflows to run only when specific files change. Use the filters feature to run jobs conditionally based on events. This helps avoid unnecessary builds and reduces usage. Another way to save is by utilizing parallelism efficiently. Distribute your tests across multiple containers to speed up the build process. Keep your tests organized to maximize the efficiency of parallel execution. Consider running your builds on the free tier whenever possible. Leverage the open source community by checking for existing CircleCI configurations. Create a custom job that skips unnecessary steps for faster execution. Regularly review your project's build times and optimize where needed. Finally, monitor your usage reports regularly. These insights will help you adjust your strategy for optimal savings. By following these steps, you can effectively save on continuous integration costs with CircleCI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.